Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to have multiple email accounts on iPhone or iPad. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. In order to properly do this, what we can do in this case is to head over right here to our Gmail. You can also head over and use your mail, which is actually an app integrated by Apple itself. But for this case, let's head over and use Gmail. Then click on this profile icon right here, click on this manage account, and in here you can see all the accounts that you have. So click on this add another account, and then just choose which kind of mail you want to create or have on your device. So earlier I have 3, so if you want to add a new one to make it multiple email accounts, just choose which ones you want to use for this. So for example, let's add an iCloud mail. Click on that and then head over and then just put in here your email address on your iCloud. Once you have done that, it will ask you for your password, and once you have verified that it is you should be able to log in onto your iCloud and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.